Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
In today's video, I'll be installing these modern exterior wall lights on the front of the house. Exterior wall lights don't just improve visibility at night, they also add security and give your home a finished, polished look. I'll walk you through the installation step by step, so let's get started. So let's start with the tools and materials needed for this project. Note, the tools and materials used in this build are linked below. I personally use and recommend these products because they've worked well for me. Check the description or tap the tagged products below. Tools: Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, wire strippers, drill or impact driver, masonry hole saw, and ladder. Materials: exterior wall light fixture, wire connectors, electrical tape, wall anchors, and mounting screws. Before starting, safety first. Wear your protective gear, check your tools, and clear the workspace. Before we begin, let's take a look at the fixture we'll be installing today. This is a modern outdoor wall lantern with a matte black finish and a clear glass enclosure. I bought these online for around $30 to $40 each. This fixture measures 13 inches tall, 5 inches wide, and extends about 6.5 inches from the wall. The back plate is approximately 6.3 inches tall by 4.6 inches wide, making it a great size for standard exterior electrical boxes. Before working on any electrical fixture, always turn off the power at the breaker panel. Once the power is off, use a voltage tester to make sure there's no electricity at the electrical box before touching any wires. It only takes a few seconds, and it's one of the most important steps in the entire installation. Step 1. Preparing the wall. The first thing I need to do is drill an opening through the exterior wall so I can route the electrical wires for the light fixture. For this, I'm using a masonry hole saw. It's designed to cut through masonry and stucco, creating a clean opening for the wiring to pass through. Once the hole is drilled, I'll feed the wires through and get everything ready for the installation. Step 2. Installing the mounting bracket. Now it's time to install the mounting bracket. This fixture actually comes with a two-piece mounting system. The first bracket mounts directly to the wall, and the second piece is attached later when I install the light fixture itself. Next, I hold the mounting bracket in position and mark the mounting holes with a pencil. Before drilling, I double-check that the bracket is level, so the light will hang straight once it's installed. After marking the holes, I drill into the wall using the appropriate drill bit. Then I insert the wall anchors to provide a secure mounting point. With the anchors in place, I position the bracket back over the holes and fasten it using the mounting screws.
There you go. The next one goes in. This is how. Now, we're not going to tighten it too much because we're going to be using this. This goes in, and then these screws here goes into these little holes right here, these little hole gaps. And then so when the screw goes in, this holds this up.
Once everything is tightened down, I give it a quick check to make sure it's solid and ready for the light fixture. Step 3. Wiring the fixture. Now it's time to make the electrical connections. Most exterior wall lights have 3 wire connections. The black wire is the hot wire that delivers power to the fixture. The white wire is the neutral wire, which completes the electrical circuit. The green or bare copper wire is the ground wire. This provides a safe path for electricity in the event of an electrical fault.
White with white. White with white here. So this is the wire nut. Wire nut needs to be tightened. And so you twist it. Next one is this light. It's black. So you do a little twisty on here.
Note, while installing the wire nuts, here in the US, there's a simple saying to remember: righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Turning the wire nut to the right or clockwise tightens it, while turning it to the left or counterclockwise loosens it. I'll use the same process for the remaining wire connections. Step 4. Mounting the light. Now I can mount the fixture onto the bracket. I'll line everything up, start both screws by hand, and tighten each side evenly until the fixture sits flush against the wall. I don't over-tighten the screws, just enough to hold everything securely in place. Step 5. Installing the bulb. Now it's time to install the light bulb. Like I mentioned earlier, this fixture uses a standard E26 medium base bulb. I'm using an LED bulb because it's energy efficient, lasts a long time, and provides plenty of light for the front entrance.
And there we go. After I installed it, I turn on the light. I actually installed an app. And here's the app. I can turn this on. Look at the light. I can turn it off. On my next video, I'll show you how to install smart light switch. But this is it. On. Off.
And that's it. The exterior wall lights are finally installed. This was actually my first time installing exterior wall lights, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and home building projects. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.